Vishwas. Our IBM Hackathon idea is automated elevator machine, which is very useful during COVID-19 crisis. So let's go through the topics which we will be covering during the upcoming slides. Let's start with our first topic, problem statement and the required solution. As you all aware, the virus can be spread via touching the objects or surfaces, and during this lockdown period we are constantly using elevators in our apartments and housing societies. So there is always a possibility of the virus to spread from the elevator, as this will be used by everyone with their hands. So the solution which we have proposed is that we will bring the complete elevator control to your mobile phones via web or mobile applications, through which you don't have to physically access the elevator, but you can use the app and can control the elevator in the user friendly manner. So these are the few technologies which we are currently using, and some we will be using in our future. So the architectural model which we have come up will be present in this slide. Now the functionality of the model is basically by using the mobile or application, we will be controlling the elevator in real time using some of the IBM and open source technologies. Now let's go through our application interface and its usability. First is the login panel, which will be used by any members of the house society and apartments to log in, and that will be redirected to the elevator QR code scanner page. The QR code scanner page will be used to capture the unique elevator QR code. The next UI panel is control panel, the, which will be have the three sections. Now the technical implementations of IBM technologies which will be used or going to use in our idea. First is Node-RED application. Node-RED is a tool for wiring together hardware devices, APIs, and online services in a new and interesting ways. We are using Node-RED to create a bridge between microcontroller and the API that sends the simulated data to our Watson IoT platform service. This is the Cloud Foundry. Cloud Foundry application which we'll be using to deploy our application. And so now I'll explain what we have planned for our idea in the future. For the technical perspective, first we are going to use the we are going to create backend APIs using Node.js, MongoDB as our primary database, React or React Native as our front-end application, and the IBM Node-RED application, which we will integrate with the Watson IoT platform through microcontroller device. For the functional point of view, the QR code can be generated dynamically with the payload in every 30 minutes. The REST API, which will be creating using Node.js, will send the Lift controller payload data to the Watson IoT platform. Then the Node-RED will send the command to the elevator's microcontroller device to execute it. Thank you from our team.